This original house is a 5-room house, 2 rooms downstairs with toilets and 3 rooms upstairs. This is a corner lot, but it is now been available for sale. Or this house has been used like a homestay. It's got 9 rooms in total with 9 toilets, and all rooms are fully air-conned. So what we have here are the entrances for the few rooms. On the left, we see the 1 room, and then here there's a passageway for 2 rooms. Okay, 2 rooms, and as I said, there are 5 rooms on the ground floor. So at the back there are 2 more rooms, and so here there are 5 rooms, and now we're going to go to the upstairs. This is the staircase to the upstairs. Comes to a very large landing. All the rooms are occupied because this is in the place where there are a lot of students and working place. There's in Taman Mutiara Cheras is a very popular place for a lot of people, and a lot of amenities are around here. So here we have the large landing. You can see here 1 room on the left, which is called the master bedroom. Here's 1 room, and there's 1 room here. We just show you a sample of what's inside the room. As usual, the room has some of the rooms can put double bed, some is put single bed, and there's a toilet. So all rooms are nicely tiled toilets with all the basic facilities, well kept, and it has always been occupied. So this is in Taman Tayton. Here is this is the original room, which is called the master bedroom. It is self-contained. You can see very, very large. The whole total width of the house is here on the first floor. This is the room. You can see we can have double bed and facilities to be comfortable, and also the toilet with the shower, hot water toilet. Okay, so it is a very strategic location. If anybody is interested to use it, continue to rent it out, it is a worthwhile investment. As you can see, this is a large balcony, also available for further expansion. As you can see, this is overlooking a very nice neighborhood. This is okay, nice neighborhood, very quiet, and it's a sought after location for people staying in Cheras. This is a freehold property. So here we are. We have a 9-room, 9 with 9 toilets, fully aircon house, which has been used for a homestay, or if anybody wants to use it for a Airbnb, is possible, also worthwhile to consider. Please contact me for viewing. 019 3340 487. Dominic from PropNext Realty. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.